I'm about to head into the backcountry, but you always have to be prepared. You always need the 10 essentials, no matter what season it is. Let's take a look at my bag to see if I've got what we need. So the first thing you'll need is the Tarpaulin emergency safety blanket. You'll also be needing some spare clothes. What I have here is a down jacket. I also have a rain jacket. You'll be needing a compass and a map of the area you're traveling in. Here I have more spare clothes, which are some gloves. Here's the fourth item, which is a first aid kit. Our fifth item is some spare food. What I have here is some trail mix. You'll also be needing some fire lighting gear. I have a lighter, candles, and fire starter. Our seventh item is a headlamp. What I have here is just a regular headlamp and some spare batteries for it. You also need some sunscreen or protection from the sun. With me I also have some sunglasses for protection. Here's some water that goes with the spare food. In this bag, I mentioned before, is some sunscreen lotion, but we also have our knife. We have our knife and our whistle, but I use the Fox 40. And also useful in some areas of the backcountry is a fully charged cell phone. So it looks like we've got everything. Let's go.